my favorite on the highway is the IXIL 55 exhaust. And I would like you all to check it out. Let me crank the motorbike up. This is without the DB killer, no DB killer inside. Can you crank as well? Can you? I'll stand here. Go. Superb. Thank you. And friends, if you have any questions about the IXIL 55 exhaust, do let me know. My friend Ismail, you got the stock, right? You can, yeah. And what did it cost?
28,000.
Okay, with the pipe,
direct
everything.
Yeah, for the
got it.
Duke 390 and 200.
All right. And the RC 390?
That also same
Same thing, right? Same price, 28,000
same
rupees.
price.
All right. Thank you, Ismail.
Thank you.
Check this out. Yes, it is a KTM Duke 390 and this is a